What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to your daily Bitcoin update. And a necessary one because we started to get some movement over the course of the last couple of hours. Already had some more momentum overall yesterday afternoon into the evening. Had some volatility initially, some bearish momentum, then some bullish momentum, but in general just some more volume going into the markets. I mean, this is not decisive movement, right? There's no big bullish breakouts. We were just in this very tight range between 51,800 and our support 51,250. However, right now we are getting a little bit more bearish momentum. So I just wanted to give you my thoughts on that. In general, the market structure, I would say at this moment, is still bearish, but the momentum we're seeing right now is quite strong, all right? And you can also see that altcoins are very much reacting to that. The Bitcoin dominance has also found some support, which it's the first time in a long time that's the case. And what we know in general is that the market, again, is quite over leveraged, all right? So I'll show you that in a moment. If you look at this, if you look at the funding rates market-wide, what you'll see is that they're pretty bright yellow again. Now, that's not the case for Bitcoin and also not much for Ethereum, even though that's also been quite bullish. But this does mean that most altcoins are over leveraged and that they are probably going to get some sort of a spike down at some point of time in the next week. Now, is that necessarily right now? I don't think so. It's not 100% right now. Could it be right now? Could it be today? Could it be tomorrow? Yes, but we'll have to kind of see what Bitcoin does, all right? Because so far, these moves could turn into some sort of a market-wide flush and some sort of a big spike down, but it's definitely not there yet. All right, we're not that far, I would say. So yeah, if we look at some more statistics surrounding Bitcoin and just in general where this momentum is coming from and what it's doing, what we'll have to look at is the following. If I can find it real quick, yeah, there we go. What you can see is that the open interest overall it has gone up a bit over the since yesterday evening, and the CVD has been pretty flat. All right, so this is not weird. This is just more volume getting into the markets after a weekend. Now, what we're seeing right now though is that the open interest is dropping down a bit. As you can see right here, open interest is dropping down while the price is dropping down as well. So that means that people are selling their positions, and that's also what you can see right here. So we had a gradual climb in positions, and both spot and futures had a little bit more spot buy. So overall, I would still say that is a bit bullish. But we have both, and then especially since like 6 o'clock this morning, we've seen a steep sell-off, and perhaps even some short positions being opened, because you can see the open interest going up while the CVD is going down. All right, so that's a possibility as well. I would say overall we just have to await how we react to the market structure. The market structure for Bitcoin is still a consolidation, so that is still neutral, and the volume, even though we've seen some increase in open interest, the volume is still pretty low. So what we're going to see most likely is volume getting into the markets, and that's going to leave a dent, and that's going to have an impact on the price. So what I expect for now is that we'll see some more bearish momentum here into 51,000, where we almost are, but also towards 50,600. And for now, I expect that to hold. I see no reason, or not enough reasons yet, for us to assume that we're just going to drop down below that. I think it's more likely that we'll actually hold that and that we can actually get back up to 52,000 and 52,500 as well. Because what you can also see, and I know we're looking at quite a lot here, but trust me, it's worth it. What you can also see is that right now we're grabbing some liquidity. That liquidity goes all the way down to the bottom of the range. The last time we grabbed the liquidity to the upside right here, we also bounced back, or at least we also bounced back down. So now grabbing liquidity to the demand side, I still think it's most likely we can bounce from that. All right, like I said, I don't see a significant decrease in open interest. I don't see a significant increase in short positions. So that's what I think for now, and that's what I think you need to know for now. But in general, wait for that reaction to that level, because if for some reason Bitcoin is not able to hold that level, then like I said, market might be too over leveraged, and if it breaks down below that level, we're falling. All right. So be prepared for that. But like I said, if that happens, I was wrong, because I would not expect it right now. But those are my thoughts. So if you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, thank you for watching. Have a great week and bye.